what's up? It's Ruby. Welcome to my channel, where your entertainment is my mission. So today, let's do another wine opener unboxing. Let's go. Okay, so if you have been following my channel, I just got a newer electric wine opener. Looks like that. But this is too strong and powerful. Hear that? This is by Oster. I'll link the video where I did the unboxing and trial for this one. But it has been destroying my delicate corks from those older wines and maybe wines that has a drier cork or a more delicate cork. I have been destroying them. I snap them in half and then I have to use a conventional opener to take out the second half. So I got myself another wine opener because I cannot live with just one opener, right? You don't just wear one pair of shoes in your life, right? Or one pair of pantyhose. Oh, by the way, hold on. If you're interested, this is pantyhose by Cecilia da Raphael in the color Ultra Violet. See how ultra violet they are? 15 Eternal, 15 Dead. Okay? Alright, so this back to the wine opener. This is a rabbit year, I think. Vertical rabbit opener with foil cutter. Isn't rabbit year some special toy? So what is it here? First, uncoil. So it comes with, okay, let me show you. It's like that. It comes with the foil cutter, which is a bit like flimsy. It's like a plastic thing and you just kind of bend it when you press on it. So and then you just turn the foil. You get the foil out by turning and cutting it. There's like a sharp thing here. And then you get the rabbit opener and an extra screw, corkscrew. Alright, what else it says here? Insert vertical rabbit corkscrew into the cork. Remove cork, squeeze bottom firmly, pull lever upward. Once cork is removed from the bottle, eject cork by pulling out. I actually have used this before, not exact same one, but another one which I have been using for years and it just broke. So I knew how to use it and it worked pretty well. I just tried it and let's see how it looks. I got a new wine opener again because my electric one, the new electric one was too powerful and some of the older vintage wine, if I use the electric on those, it will just destroy the cork and break it in half. So kind of like waste my time to redo it. So let's try this. It is called a rabbit something, rabbit year. It looks like a rabbit, there's an eye. Isn't rabbit year some kind of toy? Huh? Adult? Can I say that on YouTube? Anyway, so I really like this type of opener. I used them before. So these are just more gentle and you just need to clamp it down. Hold on. Okay, first time using it, make sure. Okay, here we go. Are you with me? Wish me luck. Gentle, Ruby. And then just have to hold tight and whoa, something. Okay, I think. Okay, we're good. Good job. Alright. And then just. Oh, I'm like too clumsy. I have to be more gentle. It's delicate stuff, right? Come out? Don't you want to come out? Okay. Not bad. Not bad. First time using you, not bad. Okay, so I think this will be a good companion for my older vintages wine. Maybe the French one. The French one I found is more easily snapped. The cork easily snapped. And I quite like the grip here. There's like this rubber silicone thing. And it's got a little eye. And I don't know, it's a nose or something. It looks like a rabbit. Okay, so I'll keep using it and see if this is good. I'll alternate between the two. Now I have both. Alright. Hold on. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more wine chats. Follow me on Instagram. I post every day there. Hit the bell button here. And I'll see you in my next one.